Hello, my lovely. Welcome back to my kitchen. It is really good to have you here. And if today is your first time visiting, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, words cannot express how grateful I am to you. Thank you so much. So today we are making this delicious Oats Banku that actually tastes like the real thing. I am sure you are going to love this. So come on in and let's start cooking. I have some oats here. I'm using 3 cups of oats to make this banku. As you can see, it's in the blender and I'm pouring water in. You want to pour your water to reach the same level as the oats to get the best consistency. It is now blended and this is how smooth I went in for. Now that is done, set aside. In your saucepan, mix your corn dough. I'm using 2 cups of corn dough to make this against the 3 cups of oats. It is mixed up, so I'll go ahead and add some salt. You can of course use more corn dough than oats if you prefer. Once this is ready, bring it on a hob and continue to stir, paying attention to the corners and bringing everything together so that it gets stirred in properly without any lumps. As soon as it begins to form, I would smash it against the saucepan and thereby breaking any lumps that are beginning to form as well. And since it is not completely cooked, at this stage it is easier to break the lumps and have your banku smooth and nice as you see on the screen. Normally this is the time that we would put water in. It is about 50% cooked. It isn't completely, only halfway. And so I'll go and bring up our blended oats and pour it in at this stage. Once the oats is in, I'm going to stir it in such a way that the oats will take the spot to cook as well, whilst the corn dough comes in the middle. Enti uye ni say na na oats no etimi start to heat it up. The oats will also begin to heat up, and as soon as you achieve that, go in with your wooden spoon and break the corn dough off so that it is easier to mix it up. Now, as you can see, I am stirring it together with the oats and it's coming out so beautiful. I'm telling you, this is so easy to put together, but then it's a sure way to get some much needed fiber into your banku for the whole family to love. Yes, so I go ahead and stir it and put everything together as such. I just went in with a spatula and scraped everything and continue to stir. Wash said ye esi aso aye kama adie oni beje ho. Soon it is almost ready. If you try this, you will not miss cassava dough, I promise you. The taste of it, you still taste the original banku and more scent in it just as it is. Look at the beautiful texture of this oats banku. It is so good. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Owiswe's Kitchen. I hope you consider to join us by subscribing, and please, when you do not forget to activate your bell icon so you receive all my future uploads. It tastes amazing. The texture is incredible, and it has that authentic banku smell as well. There is nothing that you will lose. It is a win-win situation. I hope you love this oats banku hack. I hope you do leave a like on the video to help the support this channel, and please do not forget to activate your notification bell, and I'll see you in my next upload. Until then, take care, be blessed. Bye.